Hi, this is Melanie from Empire Line Stamps. I made this video to show you how to use the clear unmounted photopolymer stamps sold in my store. This is how you will receive the stamp. Your stamp is housed between two sheets of plastic with the design of the stamp printed in black on one side. You use the stamp with an acrylic block, which you will have to purchase. The block does not come with the stamp. They are shipped flat, which saves you on postage and also saves on storage once you get your stamps. The way we use them is that you need to peel your stamp away from its plastic, but do not discard the plastic. You will see there is a flat side and there is an impression side. You mount the stamp to the acrylic block using the flat side. Choose a block the right size for your stamp. Just place the flat side down onto the block and press gently. The photopolymer material adheres to the acrylic. It is removable simply by peeling back. Depending on the size of your stamp, you have a choice of different sized acrylic blocks. You can get small ones like this, or larger, wider blocks like this. It's then very easy to use your mounted clear stamp. All you need is a stamp pad and something to stamp on. So just ink up your stamp like you would any regular stamp by pressing the impression side down into the ink. Make sure it's well covered and then press onto your paper or any other material that you are stamping on. And there you have it. You've made your impression with a clear stamp, but with the added bonus that you've probably paid less for shipping and that you need to use less storage space to keep your stamp collection. Just a little hint about cleaning your stamps, especially if you're using permanent inks. I use a stamp cleaner like this one, and I got it at a craft store, basically anywhere where clear stamps are sold. I wet my stamp with the stamp cleaner and then simply wipe it with a paper towel. Please refer to the manufacturer of your ink to understand the best way to clean your stamp. Once dried, you can peel your stamp from the acrylic block and put it back in between the plastic sheets. There are lots of ways to store your clear stamps, and it's best to find a way that suits you. A quick online search will show you how other people store their stamps. And just to remind you again of the unique advantages that clear stamps have over other mounted stamps. They're less expensive to ship because they can ship flat, and they're also a lot less bulky to store. You only need a few acrylic blocks to use with many different sizes and designs of clear stamps. Thank you for watching, and I hope you get lots of enjoyment from your stamps. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment at this video or send me a message via my Etsy store.